Hello everyone, I am Helen from Langfang DingYang Flange&Pipe fitting company. Today I'm going to share with you the basic knowledge of a steel flange. I'm going to talk about the types of the flange, the production process, the usage, and the different types of the steel flange. The most popular steel material is the carbon steel, and the second one is stainless steel, and the third one is alloy steel. There are so many standards in the world, but we mainly use the ANSI standard, as known as American standard. DIN, UNI, and EN. These are mainly used in European market. The GHOST for Russian market. SABS for South African market. BS for Great Britain market. Of course, these several standards are used together. The classical and traditional production way for steel flange is the forging flange. And second one is casting flange, not precision, it's sand cast. The production cost is lower than the forged flanges, but it requires a big quantity. The third one is laser cutting. Laser cutting has a lower production cost and a shorter production time. The advantage is the shorter delivery time. There are many types on flanges, like the plate, the weld neck, slip-on, socket weld, lap joint, threaded, and blind. Those types go together with the different connection way. The plate flange. We can see the plate flange is very normal. It is very easy to be produced and very convenient to be assembled. The production cost is lower, so it is widely used in many fields, but rarely used in chemical industry or higher risk industry. Slip-on flange. Those kind of flanges is very convenient and very easy to be assembled for the workers. But there are too much workload to weld those flanges on pipe system. It needs more quantity of welding rod, and slip-on flanges cannot resist high pressure and high temperature. Weld neck flange and long weld neck flange. Those flanges has higher deformation resistance. It is not easily deformed, and the sealing effect is very good. It is widely used in the pipe system, which will endure the large fluctuation of temperature and pressure. But the size is too big and the weight is more heavier, so the price is higher accordingly. And also because of long neck, the heavy weight, so it is more easily to be broken during transportation. Socket weld flange. The workers need to insert the pipes into the socket weld flange and weld them together. Using this way, the mismatch of welding could be avoided. But the socket weld flanges are usually the smaller sizes. For the bigger sizes, it is very difficult to produce. The lap joint flange. Lap joint flange always go together with the stub end flange. They need to be welded together firstly, then weld together with the pipes. Threaded flange. You can see in the center hole of this flange, it is threaded, so we call it threaded flange. This kind of flanges are easy to be assembled and repaired. And in some construction site where welding is prohibited, or for some alloy steel which is very hard to be welded, then the threaded flanges can be used. But the disadvantage for this kind of flanges when there is a large fluctuation on temperature. For example, when temperature is higher than 260 centigrade or lower than minus 45 centigrade, threaded flanges cannot be used. There will be risk of leaking if the threaded flanges be used. Thank you for your time.